How to send doodle in Instagram chat. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, go to the DM section and then go ahead and open the conversation where you want to send a doodle. Now, tap on the plus icon you see there at the bottom right option, and you will see the option for draw in the menu that appears. Tap on the draw option, and with this, you will be allowed to write or simply draw anything that you want on the screen of that chat. You can also scroll through and change the color of the pen that you want, or you can also switch the pen styles. Simply go ahead and make the required changes and then tap on the send option you see there at the bottom right. Once sent, the receiver will receive the doodle that you just sent on the chat, and they can then go ahead and edit the doodle in that particular interface itself. So, this was about how you can add or send doodle in Instagram chat. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.